The ZANU-PF leader and Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa held a closed-door meeting with the former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo at the State House in Harare on Friday, fueling speculation amid rising tensions within the ruling party. Sanavida mashoko obuda chiexposewa ye secret meeting aiwa yemutungamiri wenyika na the former Nigerian President olwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamzimba imobuda nyokamshinzi the visit, which was not announced in advance, is a state political charter as internal disputes within ZANU-PF continue to escalate. With increasing pressure from within the party, observers suggest that Mnangagwa may be seeking counsel from Obasanjo, a respected elder statesman on the African continent. President E.D. Mnangagwa met with the former Nigerian President, His Excellency Olusegun Obasanjo, at State House in Harare, ZANU-PF said in a brief statement on Friday. The party, however, did not provide any details on the agenda or outcome of the meeting. The timing of Obasanjo's visit comes amid growing unrest in the ZANU-PF ranks. Prominent war veteran Blessed Geza recently called on Mnangagwa to resign, citing the president's alleged incapacity and the unchecked looting of public funds by his inner circle. Mnangagwa must go. He has failed to lead and he has allowed his cronies to plunder state resources with impunity, Geza said in a strongly worded statement earlier this week. While the meeting's purpose remains undisclosed, its secrecy and the current political climate suggests that the ZANU-PF leader may be maneuvering to address internal dissent and show up his warning support. Thomas Karubuda Panaparo exposiwa au pay a closed door meeting emtungamiri wenyika na former Nigerian president. Tuze mafundo enyi moto kudipa msoro pechito ichinima power dynamics intentions are with the ruling party ZANU-PF. Bila comment section medu zimafunguro enyu on subscribe or like so turn the bell icon.